Now, in one of the earlier videos, I drew attention to what we call the menu bar. The menu bar is at the top of the window here. It's got File, Edit, View, eSign, Window, and Help. That is known as your menu bar. Now, you may not see your menu bar, and that is because you can hide it. And one way to hide it is to actually go to View and Show Hide, and actually hide the menu bar by unticking it. Now, it's important to acknowledge that the shortcut key is F9. So there's a function key F9 on your keyboard, which will bring the menu bar back, because once you hide it using this method, you will no longer have the menu to turn around and unhide it, such as that. So F9 is a handy way to show and to hide the menu bar. Every time you press F9, that's effectively what you're doing. Now, once we know how to show and hide the menu bar, the next part of the screen I want to draw attention to is the toolbar. And this panel here I mentioned in an earlier video is called the toolbar. Now, to show and hide the toolbar, there's yet another key, and it's F8. When you press the function key F8, you will hide, and if I press it again, you will show your toolbar. So it is possible to press F9 to get rid of the menu and F8 to get rid of the toolbar, which makes it very difficult to then work with Acrobat. So definitely show your menu and show your toolbar. Now, the thing with the toolbar as well is you can also customize the toolbar. It's got lots of handy buttons on it already, but you can actually add more buttons to this toolbar. For example, in addition to find, I might want to add things like cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo. So to customize the toolbar, we go to View and we go to Show Hide and Toolbar Items. And notice here's your F8 to show or hide the toolbars. But what I want to do is go to Show Edit Tools. Now at the moment, I don't have a button on my toolbar for undo and one for redo. So I'm going to choose the undo option. And when I click that, I now have a button here that I can click whenever I want to undo something I may have done it by mistake. Let's also grab the redo. So we go View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items, Show Edit Tools, and Redo. And so now I've got an undo and a redo button sitting on my toolbar. The other ones I'd like to add are cut, copy, and paste. So I'm going to go to View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items, Show Edit Tools, and Cut. And so now I've got the option to cut with my scissors sitting right here. So it's a little bit tedious, but you've got to go in each time, but that's the way it is. So I want to grab also under Edit Tools, Copy, and View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items, Edit Tools, and Paste. And so there is my undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste. But as you saw, there are a whole lot more tools that you can add as well. So if I go to Toolbar Items, there's some file tools. There's things like take a snapshot of your screen. But there's all sorts of other tools you can also add if you felt the need to your toolbar. Now, what about the quick tools? Let me hide the quick tools. When you hide the quick tools, notice a portion of the toolbar actually disappeared. Well, that portion of the toolbar is known as your quick tools. If I want to show my quick tools again, I will actually go to View, Show Hide, and I'll ask it to, under Toolbar Items, actually to show my quick tools. And you see them come back. Here, this section here is known as your quick tools. These quick tools include things like adding a comment or adding some highlighting. Or even deleting something, and save as well as a quick tool. But let's say I want to add Save As button to my quick tools. Well, you can also edit the quick tools. If I go to Edit, I can actually go to, oh no, hang on, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to go to right click and I want to customize my quick tools. Though I can go to View, Show Hide, and in here, I could, under Toolbar Items, I could customize my quick tools as well. But I'm getting a bit sick of going that long way. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to right click here and customize my quick tools. Now, the sort of button I might like to add, if it's Save As, for example, will be under the section called Save. See how many sections are? There's lots. The Save and Export section, I can scroll down and I can scroll up. The Save and Export section, if I hit the triangle to expand that, there's a Save As button, and really that's what I want to add to my Quick Tools. So I simply hit this button here to add that command to my Quick Tools. So you can easily click on something like rotate clockwise and you can delete that. Or maybe I move it to the right, or move it to the left, or I do want to delete it. And this also allows me to add a divider. So I could put a divider in and then maybe move it to the left. And so I've divided my Save and Save As buttons. So the Quick Tools segment of your toolbar up here can also be customized. Things can be rearranged, they can be divided into groups, they can be deleted, and you can also grab extra options within each of these groups and add it to your Quick Tools toolbar. So maybe have a look around there as well, and I'm going to go Save. And so there's my divider, and my Quick Tools toolbar is broken into two sections, and the second section contains my Save button and my Save As button. So I can save a file as a different name without having to go File, Save As. I now just hit this button and it brings up the Save As window. Very, very handy.